Are you looking on how you can start up a popcorn business and you gain more profits than you invested with that little capital that you have? Then keep watching this video because I'm going to be taking you step by step all that you need to know in this video, items you need to be having, how much money you need to start up this popcorn business, all that I'm going to be showing you in this video. So keep watching so that you don't miss any point. Hello lovers and friends of Carine Tech Media. I welcome you again to Carine Tech Media, where we find good and interesting business ideas that you can start with a little money without going for a loan. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you also another business which is making a lot of money. So if you're new here and you're new to this channel, please I insist you to hit that subscribe button in a red color so that you can not miss any of my videos that I upload, that I post there on other social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and other social media platforms that I use. So on those social media platforms, I am called Carine Tech Media. You can go there, follow me, like my videos, and I know you're going to enjoy them too, guys. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can start a popcorn business with 800,000 shillings to 1 million shillings. So if you have 1 million to 800,000 shillings, if you're there, you can start up a popcorn business. So here you're going to buy your own machine without renting, without buying a second hand. So I'm going to be showing you how you can start up a standard popcorn business and you start making a lot of money. So you're going to make profits that you have never made. So please don't miss out this video. Continue watching because I'm going to be starting with the items which you need to start up this popcorn business. And after those items, I'm going to be showing you how all the tips that you can use in your business, it grows faster than your competitors. So this popcorn business, you need to put it like in a place where there are more people, where there is a crowd of people, so that you can get more clients, more customers, like around markets, around bus parks, around schools. So mainly in schools, because you can sell them in canteens or you can take your machine there, whatever that you want. But in schools, mainly popcorn is well known and you can make a lot of money in schools. So you can also make a lot of money on streets with that popcorn. So I'm going to be showing you some of other items that you need to start up this popcorn business. So let's dive in. So we are going to start with the items which you need to start a popcorn business, which is very standard. And these items, they are very important because without them, you cannot start a popcorn business. So I'm going to be giving you some of the items. So depending on which kind of money you have, you're going to maybe minimize on the cost of these items that I'm going to be giving. So if you have these 800,000 shillings or 1 million shillings, you're going to start up this popcorn business, which is very standard. And let's jump with the item number one. So the item number one is this popcorn machine. This one that prepares these popcorns when you put corns there, and it's at 500,000 shillings, the brand new one. So there are of the two types. You can either buy this one with wheels, or you buy this one which you have to press in one place, maybe on a table, and you start selling. So it depends on you which kind of selling you want, either moving from one place to another or setting up a place which you are going to stay there and you sell your popcorns from there. So the second item is corns. These corns which you're going to be making popcorns from. So these corns, 1 kilogram, it's at 1,500. So you can start up with like 20 kilograms and 20 kilograms, I think they are 30,000 shillings. And you can start up maybe with 10 kilograms, but starting up with at least 20 kilograms, it can be a good startup. So the third item, which is a good one, it's rent. I can call it an item, or it's a point there. So you need the rent because you are going to ask someone. Maybe you ask for the veranda. You find that a person is having a big veranda in front of his or her shop, and there is no one there who can also attract for her the customer. So you can go there and you negotiate on how much are you going to be paying her, depending on which place are you going to be. In the city, it's mainly 80,000 shillings or 100,000 shillings. It depends if there is more people in that place, so they are going to cost you highly. So you negotiate with that person. Let's take, for example, on average, like 50,000 shillings. Maybe you have got someone whom you have negotiated, and he has given you his or her veranda to use to set up that business of yours of popcorns. You're going to be paying her maybe 3 months or 1 month. So you're going to be setting up that popcorn business if you have got someone to give you a place to work from. So if you want to be moving from one place to another, it's good. If you don't want to pay rent, you can also do that one of moving. But I recommend you to settle in one place so that people can know you where you are, and they know very well your place. If you offer well popcorns to them, they can come daily because they know you are at one place. So the fourth item which I can give you is cooking oil, and cooking oil is more important in this popcorn making because you cannot make popcorns without oil. This cooking oil, and 1 liter, it's at 10,000 shillings. Maybe you can start up with 5 liters, which is 50,000 shillings. So hope you have a pen and a paper, or a pen and a book, and you're noting these items that I'm giving you with their prices, so that you can't miss out anything, and you make the total and you see how much amount you have to start up this popcorn business, which is going to give you how much or how many items do you need. So I'm going to be giving you another item, which is a table. I can call it a table, but it has like some drawers where you have to keep your things that you use, either forks or either your polythene bags, anything that you use in your business and you don't want to misplace it, you can keep it in those drawers. But up there, it's like a table where you place that machine of yours and you place the already made popcorns for people to buy them. So it works like a display place where you put your already made popcorns and also the machine. So I'm going to also another item, which is apron. And apron is this kind of cloth which you wear so that you can't hurt yourself while cooking this popcorn. So you need at least to put it on to look neat, to look like a person who is working and you're neat. So you can buy it like at 10,000 shillings and it does not cost much money. So another item is salt. Salt is more important because you cannot sell popcorns without salt, and you know it very well. And one packet of salt, it's at 1,000 shillings, and you cannot buy one because one it's going to get over like in 1 week, so or in like days. It depends on how you sell. So you are going to buy like 20 packets or 10 packets that can last long. So because if you buy these 20 packets at a go, they can make a discount for you because you have bought in many numbers. Another item is an umbrella. This umbrella that will protect your popcorns from going on dust, from being dirt, so that you can keep your place very clean. If there's too much sunshine, this umbrella can protect you, or in case if it rains, you're safe. So this umbrella, it's like at 50,000 shillings. You can go in different markets, in different places. You can find it like at also 40,000 shillings. It depends on where you have bought it from. So they're in different categories, but you go and look for that at least bigger one, which is going to cover your all that you're selling so that they become safe and clean. So another item that you need to also start up this chapat business, you're going to need polythene bags. This polythene which you're going to be packing in these popcorns that you're selling to your customers. So you need to buy like white popcorns which are going to be transparent so that people can see that you're selling popcorns. So you can pack them according to how much money you price for them. You can pack like for 500, for 1,000 and above, according to how much you're seeing that people are going to be getting. You can also pack for 200 so that you can ease for that person who does not have 500, so that you can get more people to buy from you. So you don't put them on a high cost so that you can get more clients, because remember you have your competitors. So another item you need, which I consider like the last, is lights. So remember at night you're going to work and at night it's dark, so you need those lights or bulbs that you're going to put there up on your umbrella to keep light there where you're working from. And mainly at night, it's why I see that people are purchasing popcorns like at night if they want to take tea and popcorns. So it's very important to buy these bulbs or to buy these lights which you can switch on and off if you don't want to pay electricity bills of these lights. But if you put like bulbs there, you need to pay for electricity, and you're going like to connect from that person who has given you a veranda or from a nearby shop which has electricity, and maybe you can pay like there at 10,000 or 20,000 shillings per month for that electricity. If you want to ease your costs, you can buy these usual torches or usual lights which you can put there. Remember, this business of popcorns, it's gaining more profits, because I have one of my friends who do this popcorn business and they're gaining over 50,000 shillings a day. So that's a lot of money, because if one packet you can sell it at 500 shillings or 1,000 shillings, you can get a lot of money, because you cannot get one person a day, because many people are purchasing popcorns, either children or adults. Everybody eats popcorns, either to pass time, either to eat them just because they're not hungry, they just need to eat something. So they need to buy like that popcorn. If they want to take like breakfast, they may take popcorns and tea. So popcorns are mainly purchased by many people, because popcorn, you can eat it wherever you are. You don't need to sit down. You can eat it whether you're walking. So that makes it a unique thing that people are running for. So one tip that can make you successful is to keep the cleanliness of where you're staying or where you're putting your business. So make sure that at least you have someone who helps you in cleaning, like making some sanitation there, so that when customers come, they see that place clean so that they can come next time. And another tip that you can use, it will calm your customers very well and give them more. If you see that this customer has been coming to buy from me many times, you can give them an addition to what he or she has bought, so that can keep him or her coming more. So you can welcome them very well, welcome them using a convincing tongue, so that they can come more than those competitors near you. And before starting this popcorn business, one thing that you should consider is that look for a place where there are not more competitors there. You see yourself like you're two or you are one in that place, because if there are many people who are selling popcorns, trust me, you're not going to get more profits than you think. So you need to get like a place where you are one or two in that place selling popcorns, so that you don't get more competitors. Because if you are many in one place and you do one thing, it means that customers are going to scatter. They're not going to come to one person because there are many. So you need to go to one place which has like one person there and become the second, so that you can at least get more customers and get more profits. So those are at least the tips that I can give you when starting this popcorn business. And remember, if you have 800,000 shillings or at least 700,000 shillings, you can start up this popcorn business within a little time, because this business gets more profits daily. If you're like in bus parks, if you're like in schools, if you're serving like to schools, when you're taking those popcorns from there, or you ask like the school to prepare those popcorns from there and you take them to those schools, or you prepare them from there and you sell them to those children at school, you can get a lot of money, because in schools it's one of the most snack that is getting more people buying it. So if you are on those places where there are more customers, where there are more people, you're going to get more profits than you have never dreamt of. So those are the items and those are the tips that I can give you in starting this popcorn business, and hope you have gained anything. Please subscribe, and subscribing, it's not you only who gains from it, others, because you're promoting this channel so that many people can watch these videos that are helpful, that can help them start their own businesses with little capital than waiting for much money, waiting to save much money to start a business. So this small business, they're gaining even more from other big businesses, because these businesses also help these people who are down there having their coins and they don't have what to buy, because you have started this business, which you can also offer a 500 snack or a 500 popcorn, that package, you can get more clients who can buy from you. So this business, many people are like seeing it as if it's a business that is not gaining more profits, but it's running madly. So it's getting more clients. And please subscribe, hit the notification button so that you can't miss any of my videos. And you're seeing I have few subscribers. Please do it for me, at least for me, do it for me and subscribe and hit the notification button so that you can always be notified whenever I make any of my videos. And also go to this channel, see also other videos that I made about, and maybe you can find a business which you can also make. So thanks for watching, and hope to meet you in the next video next time.